Hello, how you doing? Have you heard the term RLHF and you're not quite sure you know exactly what this is? Well, if so, then watch along with me for the next few minutes and I will quickly get you up to speed. Okay, let's get started. So what is RLHF, or reinforcement learning with human feedback? Well, RLHF is a sophisticated machine learning approach that merges traditional reinforcement learning with human input. It aims to improve LM models by incorporating human judgment and preferences into the training loop, enhancing their alignment with human values. In simple terms, RLHF is a way to teach LM systems using both algorithms and human feedback to make them smarter and more aligned with what humans want. So you may not know this, but it's possible you've participated in RLHF. When using tools like ChatGPT, you might have been asked to choose the best of two responses, which is a form of providing human feedback. This feedback is crucial as it helps train the RLHF reward model, which in turn guides the LLM to produce better outputs. In essence, by selecting preferred responses, you help the LLM learn what is more aligned with human expectations. So what are the steps in training an LLM with RLHF? Well, first you start with the pre-trained model to provide a solid baseline. This pre-trained model will have already learned a wide range of tasks and language patterns. This foundation allows the RLHF to focus on fine-tuning the model to align with specific human values and preferences. Essentially, starting with a pre-trained model saves time and resources by building on existing knowledge. Now, the next step is getting human feedback. So how is human feedback collected? Human feedback is gathered by evaluating the LM's outputs, often through preference comparisons, rather than direct rewards or penalties. This feedback is used to train a reward model, which helps the LLM understand which responses are more desirable. In simple terms, the human feedback acts as a guide, helping the LLM learn what is right and what is wrong based on human standards. Next, we train a reward model using the original prompts and human feedback collected in the previous step. So what is the role of the reward model in RLHF? A reward model interprets human feedback, translating it into a format the LLM can understand to refine its responses. It ensures that the LLM responses are aligned with human values by providing a structured way to evaluate outputs. Essentially, the reward model acts as a bridge between human feedback and the LLM, making sure the LLM learns the right lessons. Next, we fine-tune the pre-trained model. Just a quick note on terminology. The newly fine-tuned model you'll also see referred to as the policy model. So how is the LLM fine-tuned? Well, the LLM is fine-tuned using techniques like Proximal Policy Optimization, which helps refine its responses. The training process involves adjusting the model's parameters to better align with the desired outcomes. So after this, the next step is regularization. Regularization uses KL divergence, for example, to help maintain the balance between new learning and retaining previous knowledge. In simple terms, regularization ensures the LM doesn't lose what it has already learned while it continues to improve. So the last step, we iterate over the entire process with more human feedback. Iteration involves continuously collecting new feedback to refine the LM's responses and improve its alignment with human values. Essentially, iteration is about keeping the LM up to date and aligned with what humans want through continuous learning. So why is RLHF so important? Well, the reason is that it leads to more robust and reliable LM systems that are better aligned with human intentions, reducing the risk of unintended responses. By incorporating human feedback, LM models can better understand complex tasks and align their responses with human values and expectations. Okay, so let me know what you think of RLHF. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. I want to hear what you think about this topic. Okay, thanks for watching.